Hi there, Falcons. Welcome to another week of blended learning. So, what do we have for the week? So, yesterday we just celebrated Victoria Day. So, there was no online assignment posted. So, that was good, right? But today, let's have a short DI initially, and that would be a direct instruction on what is pH. And then there's going to be the experiment, which needed to be turned in by the end of the week. So on your end, Google Classroom. So this is what you see and what is available or scheduled to be open. And we are now into part 3. It says there, what is pH? So listen to the DI, which I'm going to do shortly, and then you watch and observe a short demo by me, a short experiment, so that you can fully fill in this page. So exactly what is this DI all about? So let's dive into that. So water systems. I did mention that we are lesson 2. It's all about pH. So what is pH? Remember when we had that experiment in class, the unknowns, right? We tested the different unknown liquids and came up with some colors. So that's when we had the unit on fluids. Now, let's again review that. And I hope you can still remember that the pH scale is used to measure the alkalinity or acidity of a substance in this unit, like water. So the scale can go from 0 to 14. So a pH under 7 or below 7 indicates that what you're measuring is acidic, and anything over or above 7 would be alkaline. Now, if a substance is set at 7, that means that it's exactly neutral. So, remember this? Now, pollution in the air, soil, or directly in the water can all affect pH. And acid rain is one of the best known examples of human influence in the pH of water. And any form of precipitation with a pH level than 5 is known as acid rain. Now, you will note that in this diagram, it's all colored, the pH scale ranges of values. So many of our substances, even at home, you can get the pH values of them. Like, take a good look at milk here. It borders from 6 to 8 even, right? And anything below 7, again, would be acid or acidic. Anything greater than 7 would be more alkaline. Now, how about water? Since we are into water systems. So it can range from 7, mid 7, up to 9. Now, probably you've heard this being advertised, alkaline drinking water. They say that it's best for us guys because it can neutralize whatever extra gases that we might have in our gut. But that's one line of thought. Now, a good question to ask would be, is there a best pH for water? No. The United States Environmental Protection Agency recommends that drinking water sources should be at a pH between 6.5 to 8.5. But ideally, the best pH level for drinking water sits right in the middle at a 7. Now, in this experiment, so in your case, when you are in here. If you click this, you will come up with the set of Google Slides, and this would be it. Okay, so what do we have here? So it says here, click on the link here before you can watch and observe. So I want you to type down here your answer, write a paragraph, and tell me what's happening in the video. So what is in the video? So if you click that, you get to see this. Okay, let's start. Okay, there you go. So watch and observe what I did. And you're back to the set of Google Slides. So the next one would be on this. Part of the CYU or check your understanding assignment for the experiment. So you can always go to the internet and find out the answers, especially on the chemical formula on baking soda and carbon dioxide. Remember last time we had a lesson already on chemical formulas, like getting to know the number of molecules, which is outside of the chemical formula, and the number of atoms would be that number within the chemical formula. Okay, and this is the last slide for the CYU slash experiment assignment. So, what is pH? Or let me see, I think there is another slide. Sorry about that. So, list the pH values of the citrus fruits used in this experiment. Remember, I used three. Now, compare the pH values of salt water and fresh water. Would there be a difference? And of course, lessons learned. The end for the last slide for this experiment assignment. So it's kind of a short assignment for the week. Would you agree? In any case, I try and think of ways of making all the assignments as interesting or as unique as possible. Okay, so that's it for me for the week, people. As always, take care of yourself, your family. So, ciao for now. Bye.